Hello, sir.
Hi.
Are you gonna pump it really hard?
Yeah, I'm pumping Aaron.
What?
Wait, I'm pumping Aaron's brakes.
That's better. All right. Got brake fluid all up in the business. Everything's hooked up. I'm gonna have Xander pump it quite a bit because we're gonna make sure we have no leaks first. It'll be really nice having a master cylinder that, actually does its job. So while he's pumping, while he's being a two-pump chump.
Hey, I'm more than 2 pumps in, and I'm still going.
That's good. They make pills for that. Anyway. So I'm going to go up now. Yay! And I'm going to check every junction while he's pumping to make sure we don't have leaks. Also, we didn't do a video about the washer bag, huh? All right, we'll do that. We'll do that clip after we're done with this. But yes, there is a new washer bag on order. We'll elaborate here in a little bit. So, all right, I'm going up, and I'm going to go check all of our junctions. Pumping?
Yeah.
Nice.
I'm still going.
Where were you on the night of the 27th?
Jerking off.
That's probably about right, because you're 18. Anyway, and you're afraid of women, so.
Fuck, I'm not.
Huh?
They're just scary.
Yeah. All right, so the little line you made, good. Nothing leaking there. Nothing leaking here. All right, promising so far. We got to work on the shifter next. Let me see here. No leaky there. Nothing there. Damn. Hey, Xander.
Yeah.
It looks like you got a 100% success rate, sir.
So can I stop pumping for now?
Yeah, because... Oh, God. All right, so we're going to bleed it here next. Thank you, sir. Oh, a whole lot of air there. All right. Let me close that, and I'll have you pump it again in 1 second. Keep pumping. Okay, hold it down.
Okay.
Nothing. Stay down though.
Did we close the proportioning valve all the way?
I thought we opened it.
I don't know.
Let me double check. All right, so I'm gonna crack the left rear just to see. We checked the proportioning valve. It's good to go. Scotty.
Where's the parts for the windows?
Hold on, I'm shooting a video. Oh, and of course, this does not want to turn because it's rounded from other people who are no longer employed here. Effing things up as per usual. And now my wrench is stuck. All right, I have the lid off. Xander, pump the pedal really slow. I see nothing going on here in the master. Like, there's no movement. Okay, I'm gonna stand back, push it real hard, fast. All right, usually it'd be like squirting a load. So let's put the lid on this sander and let's undo the master from the booster real fast and see if we have push rod engagement or something's stuck or missing or not making contact. So if you want to go ahead and bail out, put the lid on this, and then undo the two nuts that hold it to the booster, please. All right, so we went through, noticed we had no circulation up here at all. So pulled the master forward, noticed that there was no engagement of the push rod to the master anymore. So I made a little bit of a spacer to put into the cavity of the master. And then I adjusted the push rod as well. Now we have actuation. So we're gonna go up and we're gonna bleed these brakes. And I think we will have that finalized, finally. It's been a morning, huh?
Yeah.
I mean, it's 1:30 now and we've been fighting with this for a while. But I don't see anything leaking, so we'll go up and see now that we have pressure.